was a beautiful day in Venice and I visited the 3 islands. Our tour guide was wonderful and as she explained about the other island during the tour. All 3 islands, especially Murano, were fantastic. We did the tour of the 3 islands Burano, Murano and Torcello. Very pleasant and well organized, competent and pleasant staff. It was interesting and fun. Some history and enjoyable facts. Wish we had a little more time in Murano and Burano. It was a great experience. We managed to see a lot of interesting things. It was well organized. The only thing is it would have been nice to have a bit more time for exploring. The tour guides were super polite and it was a fun experience. There's lots of sights and information. All 3 islands are very beautiful, but if I had to go back, I would stay at least one day in Burano. 1 hour is not enough time to visit, because there are bars and restaurants that are well worth stopping by to eat and drink. Stressful once again, difficulty trying to find meeting place. Had to call and try to find someone to talk to. Was told by other guides where to go and they were wrong. All 3 islands are beautiful and have incredible, wonderful history that everyone should know. Love traveling by boat. The person who explained everything was excellent. They realized we were speaking Spanish and started speaking in Spanish. Thank you so much. You get to experience 3 of the northern islands and it is great for shopping and taking in the different views. This tour offered that experience and time in each island to explore to determine where you want to return and visit. Our second time on this tour and still beautiful. Brought our friends this time who has not been to Italy. Seeing the demonstration in Murano was fun, but I wish we'd had more time to explore the island. 50 minutes didn't feel like enough. While Torcello was lovely, I wouldn't go back. Burano also needed more time for exploration. The lace was gorgeous and the colors of the town were vibrant. I loved Burano the most of the 3 islands. It was nice to see the islands. Wish we had more time to look around and shop, just felt rushed. Would have been nice to sit and enjoy a bite to eat. We had a fantastic experience on this boat tour. There was a nice amount of time at each island to sightsee, snap pictures and grab a light snack. I would recommend this to everyone. Great experience, just wish we had more than an hour on each island. The tour guide was very informative and pleasant. Very patient and answered any questions. Wonderful experience for all ages and accompanying for multiple languages. Don't be late back to the boat.